Welcome back, viewers, to another mind-blowing episode on our channel. Today, we have a topic that will take you on an exhilarating journey into the realm of artificial intelligence and robotics. Get ready because we're about to dive into the incredible possibilities that emerge when you merge ChatGPT with a robot. Now, if you've been following the rapid advancements in AI technology, you're probably familiar with ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. It's an AI language model that can generate astonishingly human-like responses. But imagine taking ChatGPT's intelligence and placing it inside a physical robot. The result? A whole new level of interaction and engagement. Let's explore this brave new world. The moment you integrate ChatGPT into a robot, it gains the ability to interact with the world in ways we've only dreamed of. Instead of limited text-based interactions, this AI-infused robot can now understand and respond to verbal and physical cues. It becomes a sophisticated conversationalist, capable of holding lifelike conversations. Picture this. You could have a deep, meaningful conversation with a robot that truly understands and responds to your thoughts and emotions. It's like having a friend who never gets tired, always has your back, and is constantly expanding its knowledge base. But that's not all. The integration of ChatGPT into a robot allows it to learn and adapt in real time. You see, ChatGPT can already learn from the vast amount of text data it's been trained on. But when it enters the realm of robotics, it can gather information from its physical surroundings and use that knowledge to enhance its capabilities. Imagine a robot that observes the world, analyzes data, and continuously improves its understanding and decision-making skills. It becomes more intelligent and efficient over time, just like a human being. This capability has the potential to revolutionize fields such as autonomous vehicles, smart home, and even space exploration. Now, let's address the intriguing question on everyone's mind. Does the robot become conscious? Does it experience emotions? These are profound questions that have stirred heated debates within the AI community. While AI technology hasn't reached the point of true consciousness or emotions, a ChatGPT-infused robot can simulate emotions and respond to certain stimuli. This means the robot can exhibit a semblance of empathy and understanding, providing a level of emotional support to those in need. It could be an ideal companion for the elderly, individuals with disabilities, or anyone requiring assistance and companionship. As we explore the limitless possibilities of ChatGPT inside a robot, we uncover a myriad of potential applications. Imagine having a personal assistant that not only answers your questions, but also performs physical tasks for you. Need help organizing your schedule? The robot has got you covered. Require information on the latest news? The robot can fetch it instantly. But the robot's capabilities extend beyond personal assistance. It could revolutionize customer service, providing instant, accurate responses to inquiries. In healthcare, it could assist doctors and nurses, aiding in diagnostics and treatment plans. Even in education, it could serve as a valuable resource, helping teachers and students with their studies. Of course, with these exciting advancements come significant challenges and ethical considerations. We must address privacy concerns, ensuring that personal information shared with the robot remains secure. Additionally, we need to assess the impact on employment, ensuring that humans are not replaced, but rather supported by these intelligent machines. It's essential to strike a delicate balance between technological progress and responsible implementation. Regulations must be put in place to ensure the ethical use of AI-infused robots, safeguarding against potential misuse or harm. So, as we ponder the fascinating future of AI-powered robots, we must approach this integration with excitement, curiosity, and responsibility. We are at the precipice of a new era where man and machine collaborate, opening doors to unprecedented possibilities. That's it for today's mind-bending exploration. If you found this video as captivating as we did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.